want to catch another video. I got a special guest here.
Hi, my name is Sam.
And yeah, Sam, I am. So something just happened. We were making our previous video.
Something thought there was a bomb going off, but it was just the
It
air.
was really close.
No.
Like it looked like a bomb. Like, do you guys see that? Look it. There were like 4 of them, and they just went charging down. And yeah, we don't know.
No, it's the air.
I just
show.
said that. I said.
And he thought there was a bomb sitting up. Even my dog thinks there's a bomb hitting us.
I mean, that does look like a bomb. Whatever, just. Oh, look at all those. We need to zoom in at this.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
Look at all those jets. Look at the air show that's going on. So there's like a crazy amount of. You can't see it right now. There was just a formation. So yeah, so sorry about all the sound effects in the background. So yeah, so we are showing her dad's mansion. Because it is a mansion.
It is not.
Do you not know what a mansion is? This is a mansion.
And it's not mansion.
This is a mansion. Look at this. This is a mansion.
Here, guys. Shh. Do you hear that? People think there I think people think there's bombs too because did you hear the siren?
That's a bird. All right. So first I'm going to show up here. It's like a mini mansion at least, okay?
Okay, fine.
It's technically like a mansion, but it's not like a full mansion that you usually would picture. It's like it's not a big house, but it's a big like yard and stuff. There's a golf course. So here we have a pool, resting area. This is where I thought there was bombs. I'm so dumb. But let's go show down here. Show them. Let's go into the wilderness. So what should we name this area? Oh, that stupid bug. He's still here. Holy moly. He's been here since we last came out here before. Ow. Sorry. The wilderness. Ow. I just got poked by that stick. So yeah. This is still their backyard technically.
Yeah.
Probably this is like their second backyard. They have this whole entire wilderness to themselves. Like they can probably camp right here. This is all theirs. They don't come back here that much. It looks like just a normal desert, but it's actually theirs.
So my hamster Marshmallow died, and we kind of did a little pancake. Oh, and tell you the hamster knocked over. There we go.
So yeah, this is the. Hey, we should actually make a grave for my hamster, even though he's not actually gonna be buried.
Yeah.
For Hammy and Toya. But yeah, so we got the heart right there. She's actually down there. We buried her.
Yeah, she's in a little box.
And that's a mini hamster or a cat, whatever you call. So there are people sitting right here. They use that to wipe her tears, I remember. I was standing right here playing the violin. What was it called? The guitar? Yeah. So this is our it's the campgrounds. We're gonna start burying. We're gonna make a grave for both of my other hamsters that died. There's the playroom. As you can see, the old cage is still there. They had her hamster had a boyfriend, and she's still alive. There are the cages. So let's go. So counts as the third part of the backyard. So there's technically 3 parts, maybe 3 backyards. This is the play area. Still, we don't usually play here. We usually just play at the other place. They have these monkey things. I want to try one. All right, you record.
Dude, you're gonna break that thing.
Ready? Make sure your finger. I won't break it.
Hold.
It's wobbling on one. Look at that. It's wobbling. Look at that one. It's wobbling. Show it.
I am.
All right, let's try it. I think we're gonna still try it though.
Foca, foca.
All right, ready? It's monkey bars time.
Oh my god.
Oh!
I don't know if you heard that, but there was a snap. Okay, and so
in the front yard. Hey, let me. Record.
yeah, that's like. Oh, Anthony, let's go scare our sister and say like ring the doorbell.
Oh yeah. So we're gonna scare our sister, but first we're gonna slam dunk. Oh, I can dunk that. Don't like bury me off. So here's the front view. Look at this view of the mountains. And here's the front view.
Okay, Anthony, let's go.
It's on a huge hill.
Let's go scare our sister.
Can I ring it?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna go behind there.
Yeah.
Let's go. No, she's gonna see us. Oh. Guys, go right here. Scoot. Here, I'm gonna go ring it. You're being recorded.
Okay, come on. Let's go.
She's got so mad.